How to insert rows and columns in Excel. Hi everyone, this is Kate from Create, Login and Delete. Now without any further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, open up Excel in your laptop or desktop. Now, if you would like to add rows and columns, from here navigate to the specific position from where you would like to add more rows and columns. For example, I have this cell selected right here. After that, all you have to do is right click on it. A drop down box will pop up. From there, click on insert. After you do that, a pop-up box will again appear in your interface. There, you will have 4 options to choose from. If you choose the first option that says shift cells right, this means the cells will be shifted to one cell right. If you click on OK, and as you can see, this has been shifted to its right and a cell is added here. Now again click on it. After that click on insert, and after that if you choose shift cells down, the cell will be shifted to its down. Now if you like to add the entire row, click on entire row and then click on OK, and in this way a row will be added here. Now if you like to add the column, again follow the same procedure. Right click on it, click on insert, and then again click on entire column and then click on OK, and there you can see this column has been added. So in this way you can add rows and columns in Excel, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video helps you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on next video.